Most security devices and cameras are just placed here or there. They stare into empty space from a wall that blends into the brick, and they do exactly what you expect them to do. And then there's the Argus MagiCam. First off, just look at the size of this little thing. It's a tiny, super minimalist white square that fits easily in your hand, just like this. You don't see any big lenses, no antenna sticking out, nothing at all. The back is completely magnetic, so you just clip it onto the mount and adjust it however you want. And when you take off the back cover, there are no wires coming out. It simply runs on standard batteries, just like that. And then you close it up. And that's it. Honestly, you can't get more minimalist than this camera. It weighs barely 108 grams without the batteries. It's lighter than most smartphones, so you can hang it anywhere without freaking out or worrying if the camera will fall. Inside, it connects with dual-band Wi-Fi, which means it handles both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz networks well. On the video side, we're looking at 1080p with a 1/3 inch image sensor and an f2.2 aperture lens. The cool thing is that the smoothness adapts to how you use it. It records at 15 frames per second when running on battery to save energy, and it goes up to 20 frames per second, much smoother, if you plug it into a power outlet. As for the field of view, we're talking about 113.3 degrees horizontally, 62.7 degrees vertically, and 132 degrees diagonally. Basically, you can set it up in a corner and cover an entire room without worrying about blind spots. When it comes to detection, this camera uses both PIR and AI to spot people, vehicles, and even animals at the same time. And it's also highly accurate for human detection. You can also plug it directly into a 5-volt, 1-amp power source. The best part is the batteries can last up to 9 months. And there you have it. That was the Argus MagiCam. Let me know what you think in the comments about this new camera. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay connected with Reolink. That's all for today, and I'll see you next time.